Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview is based on my personal experience using ServiceMax. ServiceMax, a product of PTC, resides at ptc.com/en/products/ServiceMax and presents itself as a field service management (FSM) solution. My exploration of their website reveals a platform designed to optimize field operations, boost technician productivity, and enhance customer satisfaction. They emphasize several key functionalities, including scheduling and dispatching, inventory management, and real-time communication capabilities. Delving deeper into the details, ServiceMax appears to offer robust features for managing work orders, tracking assets, and analyzing performance data. The platform aims to empower technicians with the information they need, accessible from the field via mobile devices. This mobile accessibility is crucial for ensuring technicians are equipped to handle tasks efficiently and effectively. ServiceMax also highlights its capacity for integrating with other business systems, such as CRM and ERP software. This interoperability is essential for streamlining workflows and maintaining data consistency across the organization. Additionally, they emphasize the platform's ability to provide valuable insights into operational performance, which can be leveraged to identify areas for improvement and drive strategic decision-making. Their website showcases various resources, including customer success stories and informative white papers, offering a deeper understanding of the platform's potential and its real-world applications. For businesses seeking to optimize their field service operations, ServiceMax seems to offer a comprehensive solution that addresses the complexities of managing a mobile workforce. Exploring their website further can provide a more detailed insight into the specific features and benefits they offer. From what I've gathered, it's a platform worth considering for those looking to enhance their field service capabilities. Remember to check out the link in the description for more information.